In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign into Google Ads. To get started, open your preferred web browser on your computer. This can be any modern browser you normally use as long as it's up to date and working properly. Once your browser is open, click into the address bar and go to the official Google Ads website. Make sure you're on the correct site before continuing so you can sign in securely and avoid any confusion. When the Google Ads homepage appears, look to the top right corner of the screen and click Sign In. This will take you to Google's Sign In page, where you'll begin entering your account details. On the Sign In screen, type the email address connected to your Google Ads account. Be sure to use the correct Google account, especially if you have more than one, since using the wrong one may prevent you from reaching the right advertising account. After entering your email address, click Next. On the following screen, enter your Google account password. As you type, take a moment to make sure everything is entered correctly. Passwords are case-sensitive, so even a small mistake can stop the sign-in process. Once your password is entered, click Next again to continue. If your account has two-step verification enabled, you may be prompted to complete that security step. This could involve approving a prompt on another device, entering a verification code, or confirming your identity in another approved way. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully and wait while Google verifies your account credentials. If you manage more than one Google Ads account, you may see an account selection screen after signing in. Take a moment to review the list, then choose the Google Ads account you want to access. This is especially useful for users who work across different businesses, clients, or campaigns, so make sure you select the correct account before moving forward. After that, wait for the Google Ads dashboard to load completely. Depending on your internet speed and browser performance, this may take a few moments. Once the dashboard is visible, confirm that you've signed in successfully by checking for your campaigns, reports, and the main account navigation menus. If you can see those areas, that's a good sign that you're in the right place and ready to begin managing your ads. And that's all it takes to sign into Google Ads. Thanks for watching.